Do you want your own virtual pharmacy assistant for free? Who wouldn't? Watch now to learn more. Here is my father, Raj. He takes about 5 pills a day. His pill cocktail consists of medications to manage everything from blood pressure to cholesterol. This does not even include any daily vitamins he could take. My dad has resorted to making daily little pouches to keep track of his pill cocktail and remind him to take it. If you're the type who values convenience, then you're going to want to check out PillPack, which is an online pharmacy. It's truly a game changer in my mind. It really is an opportunity for you to have your own personal virtual pharmacy assistant. So check it out. Once you sign up for the service and transfer your prescriptions to PillPack, the company sends you 2 weeks worth of meds and vitamins directly to your door. What is so great about this, you might be thinking? Well, daily doses of medications, vitamins, and supplements are placed in individual packs, sorted by time of day and labeled with dosage information. This is brilliant for folks like my parents who are on several medications, or for those suffering from chronic conditions resulting in an overwhelming amount of medications to manage. The company handles refills and manages this directly with physicians and insurance companies, so you never run out of the medications you need. Additionally, all bills and claims are managed for you. Updates to medications are done as changes occur. You can even pause your service. Again, this is free and provides you with so many benefits. I can tell you who has signed up for this service in our household. If you're looking for your perfect healthy match, then you're not going to want to miss out. Join the Match Health community now and elevate your health.